Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing a very simple and easy recipe of doin setin or walnut chutney. Doin means walnut and setin means chutney in Kashmiri. This walnut chutney has intense nutty flavor paired with an amazingly satisfying crunch and spice. Walnuts are crumbled with green chilies and salt, making it lip-smacking chutney. This glossy chutney tastes divine, and it's one among the platter of chutneys served in Vazwan. So let's get started. For making this, I have taken a cup of walnuts soaked in water for a few hours, a few mint leaves, or you can take a mix of mint and coriander leaves for aroma, 6 to 7 green chilies, 2 teaspoons of curd for moist texture, 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can take according to your taste. Now I have transferred walnuts to a blender and blend it for a while, and then add green chilies, salt and mint and curd and blend to a smooth paste. In Kashmir it's done manually for crunch, and I'll check me in between so that the chutney doesn't turn into a puree. So here our intense nutty flavored walnut chutney is ready. This tastes amazing with a perfect blend of green chilies and walnut and a hint of mint, giving it an amazing taste and mouthfeel. This finger-licking tasty walnut chutney can be served with meals or as a dip. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Please subscribe if you haven't yet.